is for igloo, white and round, made of snow on icy ground. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, such a yummy chilly treat. I is for ink in a little jar, useful writing near and far. I is for instrument, making sound, like a drum or bells that pound. I is for things both near and far, from the freezer to the cookie jar. Say I, shout it with cheer. We love the letter I right here. I is for iron, smooth and hot, helps the clothes with every spot. I is for inchworm, crawling low, moving slow, so very slow. I is for iguanas, green and bright, sleeping still or full of might. I is for ice cubes, clink and slide, floating in a drink with pride. I is for objects one by one, learning I is so much fun. Now we know them, yes we do. I is special, just like you. S is special, S is fun. It starts the words we love to run. Slither like a snake or sail at sea. Come sing the S song now with me. S is for sun that shines so bright, giving us warmth and golden light. S is for sandwich, soft and sweet, a yummy thing we love to eat. S is for snow that's cold and white, falling gently through the night. S is for socks we wear for horn, beep beep loud, driving through a busy crowd. H is for hoodie, warm and snug, cozy like a teddy hug. H is for honey, sticky and sweet, a golden treat you love to eat. H is for house, big or small, a home for you, your toys and all. H is happy, H is here. We found H things far and near. Now we know H, let's shout, hooray! We learned it all the fun way. We learned it all the fun way. Learned it all the fun way. E is exciting, come and see. Lots of E things just for me. Look around, what's on the ground? E is where fun things are found. E is for egg, round and white. Crack it gently, hold it tight. E is for envelope, open wide. Letters and notes tucked inside. E is for eraser, pink and neat. Fixing pencil lines so sweet. E is for engine, strong and loud. Pulling trains through misty cloud. E is exciting, come and see. Lots of E things just for me. Look around, what's on the ground? E is where fun things are found. E is for earphones, music play. Songs and stories every day. E is for easel, paint so free. Making pictures just like me. E is for earth globe, big and round. Spin it fast, it makes a sound. E is for eye mask, soft at night. Helping sleep till morning light. E is exciting, come and see. Lots of E things just for me. Now we know the letter E, learning letters happily.
R is the letter round and right. Let's find things that start with R. Hold on tight. We'll sing and smile. We'll dance and play. Learning R in a fun new way. R is for rainbow, up in the sky. Colors so pretty, flying high. R is for rocket, zooming fast. Up to the moon, so big and vast. R is for robot, shiny and cool. Walking and talking, following rules. R is for ruler, long and straight. Measure your paper, it's really great. R is the letter round and right. Let's find things that start with R. Hold on tight. We'll sing and smile. We'll dance and play. Learning R in a fun new way. R is for ring, so shiny and small. You can wear it or toss it in a ball. R is for radio, music so loud. Let's dance together in a happy crowd. R is for rope, swing or tie. Pull it gently or let it fly. R is for rug, so soft and neat. Lay it down beneath your feet. Oh. R is the letter round and right. Now we know R with all our might. We sang and smiled, we danced today. R is our star, hip hip hooray.
Splash, splash, splash. grab my fishing rod so tight. Early in the morning light, I cast it far into the sea, hoping fish will swim to me. I tie a hook with care and love, shiny tiny fits like a glove. It swings and sways down in the deep, where all the swimming fishes sleep. Splash, 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 the water's wide. Let's go fishing side by side. Wait and smile, don't be late. Fishing fun is really great. I use my fishing net with cheer. When little fish are swimming near, I scoop them gently